YouTube has become a huge platform on the internet. With almost 300 hours of video uploaded to the site every minute, it can feel intimidating to start. But not to worry, dear viewer, because I've got some insider tips on how to make some high quality content. I'm certainly not a huge creator on the platform, but I've recently been able to reach 50 subscribers and I'm continuing to grow. And being so tiny has helped me learn how to survive on this hostile platform. So here's some tips from me on how to become a YouTuber. Before you can start a YouTube channel, you need a video to upload. That means you'll need to get an editing software and a camera or microphone. Obviously, I don't use a camera, so I'm not an expert on that. You could probably get away with using a phone camera. Just make sure the lighting is good, you have an interesting setting, and your content is entertaining in general, and most people won't care. For the microphone, personally I use the most YouTuber-y microphone there is, the Blue Snowball Ice. It is pretty expensive at $50, but I'm assuming a lot of you are in middle school or high school, so just ask for it for Christmas or something. And if you're older, you're just gonna have to do it the grown-up way and earn the money yourself. But in the end, the price isn't so bad, and the quality is better than what you need for a YouTube video. Next, you'll need a recording software to capture all of your sound. And can you guess what I use? That's right, it's Audacity. I know every person on the face of the earth seems to use this, but it's easy to use, good quality, and free, so there's no reason why you shouldn't. Finally, now that you've recorded your script and saved it to your computer, it's time for editing. So what do you think I use to edit my videos? That's right, it's Premiere Pro. Now, I'm just kidding on this one, but let me indulge myself with a mini rant here. I don't get Premiere Pro. At my school, we had this video club, and we had our editing computer that had Premiere Pro installed on it. Maybe I was just used to my editing software at home, but Premiere Pro just got on my nerves so much sometimes. If you're creating some artistic, thought-provoking short film on the meaning of life, then use Premiere Pro to add all the fancy stuff you want to it. If you're making a corny, zero-budget comedy skit, then don't use Premiere Pro. It is so unnecessarily complicated and hard to navigate. I don't know, maybe we just had the wrong settings on or something, but in my opinion, Premiere is not worth the monthly payment. So what editing software should I use instead, you ask? Well, you should use Cyberlink Power Director. Like the microphone, this one is around $50. And while it takes a couple of videos to get a good feel for it, it's pretty user-friendly. And if you get stuck, you can always check out their channel called Power Director University. I mean, look at this bro. You know he's giving you only the best content. This software is great for people like me who just make videos for fun on the internet, and it has the potential to be used for more ambitious projects. My only main complaint is dealing with sound in general can be kind of a pain since the program only gives you a free audio editor and not their special recording software. Now you can edit your video and upload it to YouTube. Make sure to design a good thumbnail, I use Canva, and add tags and an end card to get those sweet views. Both big creators and small creators like me will tell you that the best way to get subscribers is to establish a niche. Imagine if ESPN suddenly started playing episodes of Say Yes to the Dress, and then followed it up with Seinfeld reruns. They'd end up the subject of thousands of news outlets and lose a large percentage of their viewers. This is why you shouldn't try to appeal to everyone. YouTube's community is way too big to pull this off. Make a few videos, find your footing, and then establish the kind of content you're going to make. Admittedly, I'm not exactly the most focused person myself, but my videos are mainly related to video games, hence my name Star Games and my Chun-Li profile picture. That's one way to communicate what demographic you're marketing towards. Pick a name that relates to your content, and an avatar or outfit if you're showing yourself on camera that does the same. There are millions of videos and channels on YouTube, so you want to make sure your potential subscriber knows what you're about from just a glance at your channel. Keeping those subscribers can be even harder. If you can, establish some kind of upload schedule. It doesn't have to be super strict or anything, just have a pattern to when you release videos, like whether it's every day or every week, and whether it's in the middle of the week or the weekend. If you stay active, your subscribers will probably stay with your channel longer, but I've still seen channels with pretty good numbers that upload infrequently. Part of establishing an audience is promoting your channel. Unless you want to plan out a hardcore marketing strategy, this shouldn't be too hard. Put your channel link in your social media bios to help spread the word. Share your channel with your friends and family so that they can subscribe to it. Now, this method isn't always proven to work, But when I've commented on videos by smaller channels, sometimes they'll form a connection with me and subscribe. And if your subscribers make content themselves, show them you appreciate their support and like a couple of their videos. Us small creators have to watch out for each other, and you can even get some online friendships out of it. Starting a YouTube channel is hard. It requires a lot of time, effort, and patience to make it grow. But hopefully this video will act as a good starting point for your internet fame. In the end though, the subscribers should just be a benefit of making videos. If a YouTube channel only adds stress to your life, then maybe you don't need to have one. I love making these videos, and managing my own channel makes me feel a sense of accomplishment and responsibility. So thank you to everyone who supported me along the way. I'm really glad that people find my content entertaining, and I hope I can continue to provide you with funny videos in the future. I hope my tips helped you take that first step in creating a channel. And again, this is all based off of my personal experience, so there's nothing wrong if something that works for me doesn't work for you. Thank you all for 50 subscribers, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!